What is going on YouTube? We are out here where we got our beehive, and it's a little bit cold to be getting in there and windy, but we want to get in there real quick, just briefly, and give them some sugar cakes that we made last year so they could have plenty of feed for the winter. So we just brought y'all along. It won't take very long. It'll be a pretty quick little glimpse here, but we're gonna jump in the beehive right quick.
There's one on it.
All right, so all I'm gonna do is pop the top off, put a sugar cake in there, and really it's almost too cold to be messing with them, but we wanted to go ahead while we had an opportunity and do this. So let's get started.
That needs to sit on there better.
What does? No, the door. That is a nesting box to help keep them warm.
You can see them coming in and out down here. If they start swarming big time, I'm probably going to be out of here because my hood has some holes in it. The last time we were here, I got stung like 3 times. And we were doing the same thing, putting sugar cake in them. And we don't have any smoke today.
Nope.
Oh, there's still a bunch of sugar cake left from the last time.
Yeah, we're gonna quit right there. They're still good and healthy.
Did we leave 2 cakes the last time?
Just the one. They waxed it in. That's gonna be fun. All right, let's get out of them. Don't worry. We're good.
So the bees were good. They still had some sugar cake left from when we put it in the last time, and they'd waxed it in. So when we come tend to them at another time, that'll be a lot of fun. But they are still thriving, so I almost hate to move those from this location because that hive does really well here. I think it's probably because of all the blackberries that are around here. But anyway, so now we're going to run to an estate sale that we found Friday. And they had some things that we wanted to pick up for our business. So we're going to run there and then we'll catch you later. Did you want to add
Nope,
something?
that's good. I was just going to say, all that wax and stuff, normally we would clean it up and not just put it right back together, but because it's so cold today, we just really wanted to slip the cake in there, but they didn't need it. And the quilted blanket is still on top, keeping them nice and warm. So we're doing golden.
And they've been eating that sugar too, so that's a good thing.
Yep.
Shows me that they like it. So.
We didn't even try to rob honey from that one this year. We probably had some we could have, but we didn't.
That'll give us more next year if it's still available.